Most people think you need a technical background, coding knowledge, or a network of clients before starting an AI automation agency. I had none of that, but I started anyway. Today, I'll share exactly how that journey began. My name is Francis. I work in a 9 to 5 corporate job in Singapore, but a few months ago, I made the decision I wanted my freedom back. Not to build a giant startup, not to chase millions, just to build a lifestyle business that lets me do meaningful work and live life on my own terms. This is the story of how I ended up in the world of AI automation. Despite having no tech background, no clients, and honest, no idea where to be. Like many people in corporates, the work wasn't bad, but I felt boxed in. Meetings, approvals, bureaucracy, the usual. But there was one part of my job I genuinely enjoyed: automating manual tasks and redesigning workflows. I wasn't a software engineer, I didn't know how to code, but I was the person who would take the painful Excel process and make it faster, or simplify a workflow so the team spent less on repetitive tasks. That was the only real clue I had. I like making things more efficient. So when AI started becoming mainstream, something clicked. Automation, problem solving, reducing manual work. It felt like a natural fit, but there was a problem. Even if I learned how to build AI automation, I couldn't sell them to the industry I worked. Too much compliance, too many approvals, too much corporate risk. So I needed a niche where decisions are fast, owners are hands-on, and operational inefficiencies are obvious. That's when I realized the answer was right in front of me. I've always enjoyed sitting in small cafes, reading and spending quiet afternoons in independent coffee shops. And whenever I spoke with cafe staff or observed the workflow, I realized something. These businesses run on tight margins, manpower shortages, and a lot of manual processes. So I decided I'm going to help small and medium F&B businesses in Singapore. Not with marketing, not with social media, but with the thing I'm actually good at, making operations smoother through automation. But again, another problem. I didn't actually know what challenges F&B owners faced. I only knew what I've seen in the news, documentaries, and a bit of observation, which isn't enough to build a real business. So I did the only thing that made sense. I went out to ask. I started calling cafe owners, dropping messages on WhatsApp, asking simple, honest questions like, what are the most stressful parts of running your cafe? What takes up too much time? What breaks when things get busy? Not selling, just listening. And that became the foundation of everything. Every reply gave me insights I could never get from a YouTube video or a research article. I learned what owners truly worry about. I learned what processes break. And I learned where automation could actually help, instead of forcing solutions that don't fit. From there, the journey became very simple, but not easy. I started building small prototypes, systems that could forecast manpower, assistants that help with operations, tools that automate repetitive tasks. And every time I built something, it led to a new question. How would an F&B owner actually use this? Does this make their life easier? Does this remove a real pain point? So I kept going back to owners, asking for more insights, more feedback, more truth. This journey is still ongoing. I don't have a huge client base yet. I don't have my dream business yet. But what I do have is momentum. The kind that comes from applying what you learn, one conversation at a time. And if you're someone trying to start something with no background, no connections, and no experience, this is what I've learned. You don't need certainty, you just need direction and the courage to take the first step. If you're an F&B owner watching this and you want to explore how AI automation could help your operations, you can book a free AI audit using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. This journey is still at the beginning, and I'll keep sharing everything I learned along the way. See you in the next video.